making Valentine's, Easter baskets, excuse me, having summer fun with my little sisters and brothers, and many, many other memories. And oh, hi! I'm just jotting down some things that I did with Janet when she was growing up. Of course, I'm a few years, several years, a lot of years older than her. But she was always by my side when she was little. I would take her in the woods along with my other little sisters and try to lose her. But she always came home. Then with her little ninny, she was walking to school with her little ninny, and I had to squirt it in her face so she wouldn't take it anymore. She was too big for a ninny. Then there's the times we would go out and have snowball fights, and a lot of fun memories we have with you, Janet. Thank you for being you. Thank you for all you do for people. You don't even have to ask. The minute you think someone's in need, you're there for them. And thank you for all you've done for me and my kids. We love you. Have a very, very happy birthday. I would sing to you, but I got a frog in my throat, and I'm afraid it'll come out. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Happy birthday.